The JSON diff function is used to compare two JSON documents and generates a JSON merge patch that captures the differences between them. Source is a string representation of the JSON document that will be matched. Target is the string representation of the desired JSON document. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I'm going to use the JSON diff function to identify the differences between two JSON documents. In this case, the difference is the address field, where it is present in the target but absent in the source. The JSON diff will create a JSON merge patch that indicates that the address field should be added. This result will be stored in a JSON file. The source JSON document, which does not contain an address field, is stored in the string variable named sJSON source. The target JSON document, which includes an address field, is stored in a string variable named sJSON target. I then use the JSON diff function to determine the differences between the two JSON documents and store the result in a string variable named sJSON diff. Finally, the variable sjsondiff is exported to a file named patch.json. Let's run the process and then view the JSON file. After executing the process, the JSON file will look like this.